Welcome to Falling Leaf. This gated community is off of Solly Road in West Mobile, Alabama. This Gold Fortified home is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's over 2,300 square feet with a 2-car garage. For a limited time, D.R. Horton is offering interest rates as low as 4.75 with their preferred lender. Don't miss this deal. This home features beautiful quartz countertops, gas range, and stainless steel appliances, lovely farm-style sink, and a huge walk-in pantry. Come on in, let me show you around. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.